Good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about some interesting topics related to distance and time. In my previous video, I explained about some concepts like multiplication over measurements. In this lesson, in this video, we are going to see about fishermen in their boats. Fishermen in their boats. How many of you have seen the sea? Where did you see it? Did you see it in movie or in real? How deep do you think the sea could be? Find out. Find out these answers and note it out in your rough note. Now close your eyes and imagine the sea with waves rising high. Imagine, children, how the waves are in the sea. How high do you think the waves can go? Really, it is too dangerous when we are nearer to the rising waves, right? Now, how boats are made? Simple boats are made from logs of wood that is tied together. That is, நிறைய wood's எல்லாம் எடுத்து நேரா அடுக்கி வச்சு then if we tie together it will make the simple boat. Now if the sea is rough with very high tides and a strong wind, fishermen and the simple boats வச்சு fish பிடிக்கிறது ரொம்ப கஷ்டம். Yes, really it is too tough for him if the tides are strong. Yes, so if the wind is helpful, wind கொஞ்சம் கம்மியாக இருந்துச்சு அப்படின்னா the fisherman can travel with the simple boat about 4 kilometer in 1 hour. So fisherman வந்து 1 hourக்கு 4 kilometer வந்து travel பண்ணுவார். Yes, then how long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometer? இப்போ 10 kilometerக்கு அவர் எவ்வளோ டைம் எடுத்துப்பார்? ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணலாமா? This is one of the problem in this lesson. So listen to the video carefully, children. In this question, the fisherman can travel about 4 kilometer in 1 hour. What they asked to find, how long will they take to go a distance of 10 kilometer? Shall we do this? Yes. So in 1 hour he can travel up to 4 kilometer. 10 kilometer travel பண்றதுக்கு அவன் எவ்வளோ நேரம் எடுத்துப்பான்? ஃபைன் பண்ணலாமா? Okay. So in 2 hours he will travel 4 into 2, 8 kilometer. So remaining we have to find for 2 kilometers because இந்த 10ல 8 நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. So remaining we have to find for 2 kilometers. So 1 hour ல இவன் 4 kilometer travel பண்ணுவானா 2 kilometer அவன் எவ்வளோ hours எடுத்துப்பான்? Yes, definitely half an hour. For 2 kilometers he will take half an hour. So totally 2 hours plus half an hour equal to 2.5 hours. Fisherman can take 2.5 hours to go a distance of 10 kilometer. Now, my second question is, the fishermen use motorboats to catch more fishes in the sea. These boats travel faster at the speed of about 20 kilometer in 1 hour. How far would the motorboats go in 3.5 hours? So fishermen வந்து 20 kilometer in 1 hourல போனான்னா then 3.5 hoursக்கு எவ்வளோ கிலோமீட்டர் போயிருப்பாரு? Let us find this. Second question. The fishermen use motorboats to catch more fishes in the sea. These boats travel faster at the speed of about 20 km in 1 hour. So fisherman வந்து motor boat use பண்ணி he will travel up to 20 km in 1 hour. What they asked us to find, how far would the motor boats go in 3.5 hours. So 3.5 hours எவ்வளோ distance அவன் travel பண்ணியிருப்பான்னு நம்ம கண்டுபிடிக்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. Let us find this. So listen children, in 2 hours the fisherman can travel 2 into 20, 40 kilometers. In 3 hours the fisherman can travel 3 into 20, 60 kilometers. So remaining half an hour. So 1 hour he can travel 20 kilometers. Now half an hour ku he will travel up to 10 kilometers. Totally 60 plus 10, 70 kilometer. So listen children, once again I repeat the answer. Fisherman can travel 20 kilometer in 1 hour. So what is the question asked? We need to find the distance travelled in 3.5 hours. So first you find for 2 hours. In 2 hours he will travel up to 40 kilometers. That is 2 into 20. In 3 hours he will travel up to 60 kilometers. That is 3 into 20. Remaining we have to find for half an hour. So 1 hour la 20 kilometer போறானா அப்ப half an hour la கண்டிப்பா 10 kilometer தான் போயிருப்பான். Yes, 20 la half 10. So finally you please add this 3 hours plus 10. That is 60 plus 10, 70 kilometer. That's all children. How much time will they take to go 85 kilometer? This is your third question. How much time will they take to go 85 kilometer? If fishermen will travel 20 kilometer in 1 hour na, how much time will they take to go 85 kilometer? Let us find the solution. What is given in this third question? So the fisherman can travel 20 kilometer in 1 hour, right? So what they asked us to find, how much time will they take to go 85 kilometer? So 85 kilometer ku evlo time அவன் எடுத்துப்பான்னு கேக்குறாங்க. Let us find this. First for 1 hour he will reach 20 kilometer na, appo 2 hours ku 2 into 20, that is 40. 3 hours ku 3 into 20, that is 60 kilometer. 4 hours 4 into 20, that is 80 kilometer. Now we reached 80. So remaining we have to find for 5 kilometer. Remaining we have to find for 5 kilometer. First in the 20 la we have to find how many 5s are there in 20. So 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20. There are 4 5s. So we have to find for only 1 5. Then we have to separate this 1 hour into 4. So for 1 hour how many minutes? 60 minutes. Shall we divide this by 4? Yes. 4 ones are 4. Remaining 2. 0. 5s are 20. 0. So for 5 kilometer he will take 15 minutes time. For 5 kilometer he will take 15 minutes. Okay? Once again I repeat it children. First you have to find for this 80 kilometer. Yes? For 80 kilometer you will need 4 hours, and for 5 kilometer you will need 15 minutes. Your final answer is 4 hours 15 minutes. Your final answer is 4 hours 15 minutes. That's all. What? Next, our final question is, first read this table and question carefully. Understand the table. A question about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. B question about how far can a motorboat go in 6 hours. C question, if a long tail boat has to travel 60 km, how long will it take? Once again I explain this question, children. Listen to me carefully. So first in the columns என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? What is the first column? Type of boat. Here there are 4 types of boat given in this question: log boat, long tail boat, motor boat and mission boat. In second column, catch of fish in one trip. So one tripல அவங்க எவ்வளோ kg fish அந்த boat catch பண்ணியிருக்காங்க அப்படிங்கிறத போட்டிருக்காங்க. So log boat 20 kg in one trip, long tail boat 600 kg in one trip, motor boat 800 kg in one trip and mission boat 6000 kg in one trip. Third column என்ன கொடுத்திருக்காங்க? Speed of the boat. 1 hourக்கு இவ்வளோ travel பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, distance ஓட speed கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. சரியா? So log boat will travel 4 km in 1 hour. Long tail boat will travel 12 km in 1 hour. Motor boat will travel 20 km in 1 hour. And mission boat will travel 22 km in 1 hour. Let us find the solutions for the above questions. Listen to the video carefully, children. So final question. First understand the table. Read the question. About how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. So in the table, one trip log boat will bring 20 kg of fishes. Abdina, in 7 trips, how many kg of fishes will it bring? Yes, so we have to multiply that number with 7. Log boat will bring 20 into 7, that is 140 kg fishes in 7 trips. Second one, long tail boat will bring 600 into 7, that is 4200 kg fishes in 7 trips. Motor boat will bring 5600 kg fishes in 7 trips. Mission boat ko 6000 fish one trip la kondu varuna, appa 7 trips la we have to multiply. So 6000 into 7, that is 42,000 kg of fishes in 7 trips. This is your A question. What is given in the B question? About how far can a motor boat go in 6 hours? Motor boat வந்து 6 hours how far can go? Okay, shall we do this? So motor boat will travel up to 20 km in 1 hour. So up 6 hours we have to multiply this 6 into 20, that is 120 km. So motor boat can travel 120 km in 6 hours. Our C question is, if the long tail boat has to travel 60 km, how long will it take? So long tail boat 60 km travel பண்ணனும்னா எவ்வளவு நேரம் ஆகும்னு கேக்குறாங்க கண்ணா. So listen to me carefully. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 km, how long will it take? So long tail boat will travel 12 km in 1 hour. Okay? So அப்ப 60 km க்கு எவ்வளவு நேரம் ஆகும்னு கேக்குறாங்க. ஃபைண்ட் பண்ணலாமா? Yes. So in 2 hours long tail boat will travel 2 into 12, 24 km. In 3 hours, long tail boat will travel 3 into 12, that is 36 kilometer. In 4 hours, long tail boat will travel 4 into 12, that is 48 kilometer. And in 5 hours, long tail boat will travel up to 60 kilometer. So your answer is your answer is 6. For 60 kilometer, it will take 5 hours. Okay, once again I repeat this question, children. Listen to me carefully. If a long tail boat has to travel 60 kilometer, how long will it take? So long tail boat will travel 12 kilometer in 1 hour. At 1 hour 12 kilometer தான் போகும். So அப்ப 2 hours 2 into 12, that is 24. 3 hours 3 into 12 36. 4 hours 4 into 12 48 kilometer. 5 hours 5 into 12 60 kilometers. So for 60 kilometers, long tail boat will take 5 hours time. Okay, that's all, children. Now, activity time. Draw a boat and color it. Think you are in motorboat and you are going to catch some fishes in the sea. Now write about the experience that you had in the motorboat. Write these answers in your rough note, children. This is your homework. Read the questions carefully and try to answer these questions in your rough note. Thank you. If you have any doubts in this concept, feel free to call me or message me through WhatsApp. My number is 99 430 77 110. Thank you, children.